nagpapasalamat ako din sa inyo lahat, of course. Kasi kahit na, alam niyo ba kaganang pumapasok lang ako, sabi ko, Lord, thank you for the 3 wonderful months. Thank you talaga, promise. Thank you talaga. Kasi, nagkaroon ako ng chance, unang chance talaga na, na maturuan kayo, o ano pa ba?
Thank you.
Chance na, kahit isang beses nagkasalubong tayo, di ba? Ano pa ba? Ano ba ito sabihin?
Kampay.
Sana palaging ganito, no, masaya, di ba? Pero, don't ever stop studying, kasi yun lang yung pwede kong masabi, okay? Kapag nag-aaral kasi, once sinubuklat mo yung book, hindi mo matitigil na basahin ba sunod-sunod. Oo. Palaging isipin na there are many pages on the book. Those memories are just, those pages are just part of the memory na, always remember, if you're just look in your hands lang, siguro ganun ang gusto kong gawin sa Let's go! For heart now. Siguro ko na. In your hands, there's a world full of things. In our hands, there's the power we share. In our hands, we can grow. Anyone you would know, and we all